हैव अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एसटेस 2020 फिजिक्स पेपर का क्वेश्चन है ये। इसमें एक नॉन रिलेटिविस्टिक पार्टिकल है, जो प्रोटॉन है। पार्टिकल हमारा यहाँ पर प्रोटॉन है। सो नॉन रिलेटिविस्टिक है मीन्स द प्रोटॉन इज मूविंग विद नॉर्मल स्पीड, मीन्स इट इज़ हैविंग सम वेलोसिटी एज वी, राइट। सो नॉन रिलेटिविस्टिक मतलब ये होता है, सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है। रिलेटिविस्टिक होगा तो वो स्पीड ऑफ लाइट या उसकी कंपेरेबल स्पीड से मूव कर रहा होगा, बट यहाँ पर ये नॉन रिलेटिविस्टिक है तो एक नॉर्मल स्पीड से मूव कर रहा है। तो इसका मतलब जो है काइनेटिक एनर्जी का जो फॉर्मूला होगा वो बहुत ही सिंपल वाला फॉर्मूला होगा, जो हम 11th-12th में यूज़ करते हैं, 1/2 mv² वाला। इज दैट ओके? सो this particle or the proton is moving in the cyclotron in the circular path, right, having the radius as r. So it is obviously going to have some centripetal acceleration also, because it is moving in the circular path. So it is going to have some centripetal acceleration also. Centripetal acceleration's formula is v²/r. So the question is asking electromagnetic energy radiated per second. So per second it is asking, so energy per second is the power, right? So it is asking power radiated, right? And as we know that proton is a charged particle, right? तो कोई भी चार्ज पार्टिकल होता है ना, तो चार्ज पार्टिकल जब एक्सेलरेट करता है तो उससे जो भी पावर रेडिएट होती है वो आपकी लार्मोर फार्मूला से पता लगाई जा सकती है। सो व्हाट इज़ लार्मोर फार्मूला? तो आइए देखते हैं हम लार्मोर फार्मूला क्या होता है। सो लार्मोर फार्मूला हमारा है for the power radiated. So Larmor formula is the for power radiated, for power radiated by any charged particle, any charged particle जिसका चार्ज जो है वो कुछ q है, ठीक है। तो आइए हम इस फॉर्मूले को पहले देख लेते हैं, फिर ये बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन है, इतना ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट कोई क्वेश्चन है नहीं है। तो पावर इक्वल्स टू हमारे पास होता है पावर रेडिएटेड बेसिकली 2/3 q² अपॉन c³ into a². So here the q is the charge of the particle, right, and a is the centripetal acceleration here, and c is the speed of light. So हमें यहाँ पर ये बातें बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट याद रखनी है कि a जो है हमारा वो सेंट्रीपिटल एक्सेलरेशन है यहाँ पर। सो यहाँ पर सेंट्रीपिटल एक्सेलरेशन का फॉर्मूला हम ऑलरेडी जानते हैं, सो हम इस वैल्यू को यहाँ पर प्लग इन कर सकते हैं बहुत ईजीली, राइट। एंड यहाँ पर हमारे पास प्रोटॉन का केस है। सो फॉर प्रोटॉन वी नो दैट द चार्ज इज ई। प्रोटॉन के ऊपर चार्ज हम सभी को पता है वो कितना होता है, ई होता है। It's a very simple thing, right? And let us put the values here, right? So what we are going to get, power equals to 2/3 q value is e² into a is v² upon r. So I'm going to plug in the value v² upon r and square of it also, and in the division of it we have c³. Okay, so now let us solve this thing, right? 2/3 e² upon c³ v raised to the power 4 upon r, because in the question we have given r as capital R, so I'm just replacing this by capital R here. So I'm going to erase it first. So this is capital R, okay. So this is capital R here, okay. So I'm going to have r² here, okay. So it's a very simple thing, right? So and one more major thing is that we should know here that we have here 2/3 q² upon c³, and we can also replace this thing, right? We can also replace this thing. What I'm telling you, we have another formula also for Larmor formula. Just 2/3 q² upon c³ को हम replace कर सकते हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ म्यू नॉट। परमेबिलिटी में भी इसको रिप्लेस किया जा सकता है, राइट। सो इस फॉर्मूले को हम जब रिप्लेस करते हो तो ये बन जाता है म्यू नॉट q², ओके, डिवाइडेड बाय 6π into c, okay. And there is another formation also, and a² will remain here, a² will remain here, okay. So and there is another formation also, we can replace this mu naught also, because we know the formula c equals to square root of 1 upon mu naught epsilon naught. We know this formula, right? From here we can have c square equals to 1 upon mu naught into epsilon naught. From here we can calculate the value of mu naught here. Okay, so mu naught की वैल्यू क्या आएगी हमारे पास में आती है 1 upon c square into epsilon naught. So I'm just replacing this value mu naught by this. Okay, so what I'm going to get here, tell me, it is going to be q square a square divided by 6 pi c, and c square is also here, so it will become c cube, right? So it is going to be 6 pi c cube into epsilon naught. So we have this formula right here. Okay, and when we are going to replace this a square again by this v square upon r, right? Again we are going to have v ki power 4 upon r square, right? So the same thing I'm going to do here, right? So I can write this as or. Okay, so what I am going to replace the 2e square upon c cube, this was the thing, right? So that has been replaced by this thing, right? So it is going to be q square, right, upon 6 pi c cube epsilon naught. Okay, and in place of a square I'm going to write v raised to the power 4 upon r square. Okay, this is the power radiated. Is that clear? I think there is no doubt in this, right? So I can do one more thing here. So I need the kinetic energy also, because I can see in the options, right, we have kinetic energy in all the options. So I will have to make 1 by 2 mv square in this, right? So I need m. So we have v raised to the power 4 here, so we can make the multiply and divide by m square in this here. Okay, तो हम m स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करने वाले हैं यहाँ पर, तो हमारे पास क्या बनता है देखते हैं. And I'm going to replace the value of q as e. Okay, because we know that the charge on proton is e, right? So it is e square, and I'm multiplying and dividing by m square, and it is v raised to the power 4. In division we have 6 pi c cube epsilon naught r square into m square. Okay, in the next step what I'm doing is I'm just doing this 6 को मैं लिख रहा हूँ 3 into 2, right? Because I need 1 by 2 mv square, right? So it is going to be p equals to e square, and this is going to be mv raised to mv square, and its power is 2. Okay, so I can write this as like this, and this 6 is going to be 3 into 2. So here I'm having 1 by 2 mv square raised to the power 2 right here. Okay, and this is pi c cube epsilon naught r square m square. Okay, any doubts so far? No doubt. Okay, so I need 1 by 2 twice, because I need to make the 1 by 2 mv square square, right? So here I need 4, so I'm going to multiply it and divide it by 2. Okay, so this 4 will go inside this bracket, and this will become kinetic energy, right? Okay, so I'm going to replace it now. So it is p equals to 2 e square, and this is kinetic energy square, and in division I'm having these two are gone in this bracket, right? And we have 3 pi c cube epsilon naught r square m square. So which one is the result, right? You can see here the second option, 2e square k square, right? And 3 pi c cube r square m square. So this is exactly matching, right? So this is our final result, right? So this is the power radiated by non-relativistic proton of kinetic energy k, which is moving in the circular path in the cyclotron with radius r, right? So thank you.